In Blaze, you can monitor and control your connected devices in real time. First, select View from the home screen. Drag your desired device onto the scene panel to view its live feed. By right-clicking on the scene panel, a shortcut menu will appear, giving you access to various control functions. Select Show Info to see detailed information such as the video's codec and resolution. Choose Show Metadata Overlay to display metadata directly on the video. By selecting Always Show Name, the device name will be displayed at all times. If you unselect this option, the name will only appear when your mouse hovers over the video. Click Screenshot to instantly capture the current screen and save it as a PNG file. Select Device Setting to navigate directly to the detailed settings menu for that device. You can also select an area within the video to search for events. By choosing Create Crop Window and drawing a rectangle on the screen, you can get a more detailed look at that area in a new video item. Finally, you can select the microphone icon to enable audio output from your connected device.